In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can check if your PayPal account is verified. So you may have gone to the PayPal support center and tried to search for, is your PayPal verified? But I'm going to give you a quicker way and a much more convenient way to figure out if your PayPal account is verified. Now, I have left two links in the description of this video, and these are the two links that we're going to use for this. So what you need to do first is you need to log into your PayPal account first for this to work. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click on the first link. And now it says your PayPal account is verified because I'm logged in. It's picked up my account and it says you are now a verified PayPal user. So that's the first link, and the second link is kind of the same. I just left two because one might work and one might not work. So I would first click on the first one, and then if that doesn't work, click on the second one. And then it should take you to a page like this. And if your account is verified, it will show this message. But important, make sure you're logged into your account. So that is how to check if your PayPal account is verified. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.